Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys are interested in learning how to make these cute little cupcakes with a surprise inside, stay tuned. You're going to need half a cup and 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 9 ounces of milk chocolate, 2 2/3 cups of superfine sugar, 2 sticks and 2 tablespoons of salted butter, 5 extra large eggs at room temperature. You'll also need half a cup of buttermilk, 3/4 cup of water, 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 1½ teaspoon of baking soda, Oreos, cream eggs, and chocolate sprinkles, and Peeps. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Take the butter, instant coffee, and water. Combine them in a saucepan. Place over medium heat until they come to a slow boil. Add the chocolate and stir until completely melted. Set aside to cool to room temperature. Take the flour, sugar, cocoa, baking powder, and baking soda. Combine them in a mixing bowl. Then create a well in the center. Pour in the 5 eggs, buttermilk, oil, and the chocolate mixture. Stir vigorously with a wooden spoon until there's no lumps. This recipe makes 28 cupcakes. Line up your cupcake tin with cupcake liners. Then fill each liner with batter 2/3 full. Bake for 24 to 27 minutes. Check first at 23 minutes. When checking the cupcakes, use a toothpick and insert it in the middle of the cupcake. If the toothpick comes out clean, it's done. Now once they're done, place them on a wire rack to cool completely. Take your Oreo cookies and scrape off the cream filling and place the cookies inside a food processor to crush them up until they look like dirt. If you don't have a food processor, you can place the cookies inside a Ziploc bag and crush them up with a rolling pin or a cup. Use a cupcake core to make a hole in the center of the cupcake. Then take your chocolate egg and place it in the center of the cupcake. Pipe some chocolate buttercream around the top of the egg. If you guys are interested in how I made my buttercream, please leave a comment below. Press the cupcake into the crushed Oreos. Cover the top of the egg with some chocolate buttercream. Then press the buttercream into the sprinkles to make it look like a cute little nest. To finish, use the cupcake core to cut a hole into the bottom of the Peep. Then pipe some buttercream into the hole and place the Peep on top of the nest. Okay guys, we're done. Aren't these super cute? Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Bye!